How to use a voice changer in Roblox VC in Blox Fruitv. Blox Fruitv uses Roblox's standard voice chat, so there is nothing game-specific to install. You set the voice changer up at system level, and Blox Fruitv picks it up. Complete your Roblox age check and confirm your account is 13 or older. Otherwise, the voice option will not appear in-game. Install a voice changer on your PC, for example, VoiceMod, Clownfish, or MorphFox from its official site. In the voice changer, set your headset microphone as the input and pick an effect that suits your character, such as a deep pirate voice. Enable the virtual microphone output in the voice changer settings. In Windows Sound Settings, on the Recording tab, set that virtual microphone as the default recording device. Fully close and reopen Roblox, then launch Blox Fruitv from the Roblox app or the website. Once loaded, click the headphone icon at the top of the screen to connect to voice, and check that the ring around your avatar lights up when you talk. Test with a friend in a quiet server before using it in a busy scene, and lower the effect if your callouts become hard to understand. Tip: voice chat only appears in experiences where the developer enabled it and where your region supports it. If the headphone icon is missing in Blox Fruitv, the issue is your age check or region, not the voice changer.